Perplexity AI has dropped a bombshell in the tech world with an unsolicited $34.5 billion all-cash offer to buy Google's Chrome browser. It's a bold move, especially considering Perplexity's own valuation sits at roughly $18 billion, but the company says it has secured backing from outside investors to cover the full price. Their pitch isn't just about taking over a browser. They frame it as a public interest play in the face of mounting antitrust pressure on Google. At the heart of Perplexity's offer is a promise to keep Chromium open source, ensuring the browser's underlying codebase stays free and available to developers. On top of that, they're pledging to invest $3 billion into Chrome and Chromium over the next couple of years, signaling genuine commitment beyond just owning the brand. In a surprising twist, Perplexity has also committed to leaving Google as the default search engine in Chrome, rather than replacing it with their own AI-powered option. Timing plays a big role in this offer. The U.S. Department of Justice has previously proposed that Google divest Chrome following a court ruling that found the company illegally monopolized search. Perplexity seems to be positioning itself as a realistic buyer, potentially helping to resolve the antitrust issue while establishing itself as a major player in the AI browser space. Perplexity isn't coming into this lightly. They've also launched their own AI-powered browser called Comet. Comet is built around conversational search and agentic AI functionality, letting users ask questions, automate tasks, and work seamlessly across tabs. Acquiring Chrome would give Perplexity access to its more than 3 billion users, transforming its reach overnight. Of course, this bid isn't without skepticism. Many observers see it as a moonshot. Perplexity is offering almost twice its own valuation, and there's no guarantee Google will agree to sell. And even if the court forces a divestment, the legal and financial hurdles could stretch on for years. Some critics argue that the move is as much about perception and signaling power in the AI arms race as it is about a serious acquisition. If Perplexity were to succeed, the implications could reshape browsing forever. They could embed their AI more deeply into how we surf the web, potentially redefining the browser as not just a gateway to the internet, but as an intelligent assistant in its own right. But whether Google will hand over one of its most valuable assets, or even consider it, remains to be seen. If you found this breakdown interesting, please like and subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech and AI.